How to create a WordPress blog by Prathima Raparti. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss. How to create a WordPress blog. Whether you are a seasoned blogger looking to switch platforms or a beginner wanting to start your online journey. This video will guide you through the step-by-step process of creating your very own WordPress blog. So, let's dive right in. Introduction to WordPress. Before we get started, let's briefly talk about WordPress. WordPress is a popular content management system that powers millions of websites and blogs worldwide. It's user friendly, customizable, and offers a wide range of features and plugins that make it the go to platform for bloggers and website owners. Step 1: Domain name and hosting. The first step in creating a WordPress blog is to choose a domain name. So, it's important to choose a memorable and relevant name. Once you have decided on a domain name, you will need to purchase hosting. Hosting is like renting a space on the internet for your blog to live. Step 2: Installing WordPress. Once you have your domain name and hosting, it's time to install WordPress. Most hosting providers offer one-click WordPress installation, make it extremely easy to set up your blog. Simply follow the instructions provided by your hosting provider, and within minutes you will have WordPress up and running. Step 3: Customizing your blog. Now that your WordPress blog is installed, it's time to customize it to suit your style and needs. WordPress offers a range of free and premium themes that allow you to change the look and feel of your blog. Choose a theme that aligns with your content and brand and customize it to make it unique. Step 4: Adding content. With your blog set up and customized, it's time to start adding content. WordPress comes with a powerful editor that allows you to create and publish blog posts easily. Write engaging and informative articles, include relevant images and videos, and optimize your content for search engines to attract more readers. Step 5: Plugins and functionalities. One of the greatest advantages of WordPress is the vast array of plugins available. Plugins are like apps that add extra functionalities to your blog. Whether you want to improve your site's SEO, enhance security, or add social media sharing buttons, there is a plugin for almost everything. Step 6: Promoting your blog. Now that your blog is up and running, it's time to promote it and attract readers. Use social media platforms, engage with your audience, and participate in online communities related to your niche. Building a strong online presence takes time, but with consistency and quality in content, you will start seeing your blog grow. Congratulations! You have successfully created your WordPress blog. Remember, blogging is a journey, and the key to success is consistency and providing value to our readers. So, keep experimenting, learning, and growing. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching and happy blogging. That's it for today's video on how to create a WordPress blog. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more useful tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care and happy blogging. Prathima Raparti signing off. Thank you very much.